Hi everyone, welcome to this process mining training. I'm Rangoli Jaiswal, a data and process mining expert with more than 15 years of experience helping organizations turn raw data into real business insights. My journey as a technical educator started long before teaching. I spent years in tech marketing where I constantly worked between engineering teams and business leaders, and I realized one core truth. Technology becomes powerful only when people truly understand it. And that's why I now focus on simplifying complex topics like AI, automation, cloud, and enterprise platform so professionals like you can think better, build better, and take smarter decisions. Who this course is for? This course is perfect for data analysts and business analysts, process owners, and operation managers, IT professionals exploring process improvement, and anyone curious about digital transformation tools. Inside this course, you will get on demand video tutorials and related learning resources, hands on exercise in Celonis Snap, downloadable resources and templates, and a certificate of completion. What you will learn in this course? By the end of this training, you will be able to understand the core concept of process mining, discover real business processes using event logs, use Celonis Snap for hands-on analysis, identify bottlenecks, delays, and compliance issues, explore task mining and automation opportunities, build dashboards and improvement plans. So, what exactly is process mining? Process mining is a data-driven technique that gives you a real-time X-ray view of how your business processes are actually running. It uses the digital footprints from your systems, SAP, Salesforce, ServiceNow, Oracle, anything to answer three critical questions. 1. What is really happening in my operations? 2. Where are the delays, inefficiencies, and deviations? 3. How do we make better and faster decisions? Instead of relying on assumptions, outdated reports, process mining shows you the real process as it unfolds. Why should business leaders care? Let's look at why leaders are adopting process mining globally. First, operational transparency. See how processes like order to cash, procure to pay, or hire to retire are actually being executed, not how you think they are. Second, data-driven decisions. Move from gut feeling to facts. Every insight comes from real time stamps and real user actions. Third, faster root cause analysis. Spot bottlenecks, rework loops, and compliance issues instantly. No long consulting projects needed. Fourth, performance benchmarking. Compare operations across teams, regions, or business units. Fifth, cost and efficiency gains. Eliminate inefficiencies, reduce delays, and boost throughput. What leaders can expect from process mining initiative? 100% transparency, up to 30% reduction in cycle time, up to 25% reduction in rework, better compliance and audit readiness, faster digital transformation outcomes. How to get started with process mining? Here are the steps we will cover later in this course. First, identify the process. Choose a high impact process like O2C, P2P, and H2R. Second, connect your system, integrate data from SAP, Salesforce, and ServiceNow, etc. Third, visualize and analyze. Discover your real as-is process. Fourth, prioritize improvements. Focus on bottlenecks and deviations. Fifth, take actions. Collaborate with process owners to implement change. Choosing the right tool. There are many process mining tools in the market like Celonis, UiPath, Eris by Software AG, SAP Signavio, ServiceNow Process Mining, Mindzy, IBM, and others. All tools use similar concepts. The difference lies in their approach and integrations. Enterprise licenses usually range between $8,000 to $10,000 per user per year, plus additional cost for training and maintenance. But the best part, you can start completely free with Celonis Snap. Now we will talk about data integration. Data quality is the foundation of every process mining project. You will learn how event logs are structured, systems are connected, data models are built, and how Celonis uses a marketplace of connectors. The better your event log, the more accurate your process discovery will be. Challenges in process mining adoption. Like any digital initiative, process mining has challenges. Missing or inconsistent event logs, legacy system integration, lack of stakeholder buy in, skill gaps in reading and interpreting process flows, change management, and resistance. But throughout this course, I will show you how to overcome each of these. Join our workshop. If you want deeper hands-on experience with real business scenarios, you can join our process mining workshop at just rupees 4,999. You will get job-ready skills, real data sets, practical exercises, and a completion certificate you can showcase on LinkedIn. Alright, this is your starting point. In this upcoming videos, we will move step by step from concept, data discovery, analysis, and automation. By the end, you will not just know the tool, you will know how to think like a process mining expert. Let's get started. Thank you.